Synology versus HexOS. Which home server OS is better? Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to give you a side-by-side comparison of Synology's DSM, which is a pre-built NAS, and HexOS DIY server OS based on TrueNAS. And I'm going to cover setup flexibility, pricing, and long-term suitability. Let's start with Synology. Synology is a pre-built NAS, that is network-attached storage platform powered by its proprietary operating system called Disk Station Manager (DSM). It's widely recognized for its robust performance, reliable customer support, and refined user-friendly interface. It's an excellent option for people looking for hassle-free, reliable solution right out of the box. Setup is quick, the system is stable, and there is a strong track record of long-term updates. The cost structure is simple. You pay for the hardware and the DSM software comes included. In essence, Synology is best suited for users who want a plug-and-play NAS solution with minimal maintenance and maximum uptime. Now moving on to HexOS, which is an open-source server operating system tailored for self-hosted apps, local storage, and smart home integration. It's ideal for DIY enthusiasts who want more flexibility and are comfortable running their server on custom-built PCs or existing hardware. HexOS is completely free and offers a modern interface focused on apps and modular functionality. While it doesn't come with branded hardware, it lets you make the most of whatever hardware you already have. So if you want something highly customizable and aren't afraid of rolling up your sleeves just a bit, then HexOS is a great alternative. So which one should you use? Go with Synology if you're looking for a stable, low maintenance experience with official support and polished tools built right in. Opt for HexOS if you want maximum control, flexibility, and the ability to build a tailored setup that fits your specific needs. Let us know in the comments which one you're leaning towards and why. So if you found this breakdown helpful, give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech comparisons and server setup guides. I'll see you in the next video.